All right, welcome back, everybody. So I kind of splurged all last night on my dinners. I went out to eat and everything. So tonight I was like, well, since I spent a little bit of money last night, I need to go back to making my home cooked meals. So anyway, I'm having sweet potatoes, sweet taters. Anyway, I made the sweet potatoes in the oven, or made them in the, I baked them in the oven. Woo-wee, it's sort of hot. Oh. And these sweet potatoes came from my cousin Beth and her husband. They have a sweet potato farm over in eastern Arkansas, over in Phillips County. And I do appreciate them for that because these suckers are delicious. And anyway, I want to get my sweet potato doctored up here real quick before I go any further. Gotta give it some butter. Butter always makes it better, right? And got a little brown sugar. Brown sugar. Good old classic song, brown sugar. I can get something to come out of there. I don't want a whole lot, just a little. Okay, that's plenty. All right. All right, while that's doing its thing, also sliced up some ham and fried it in the skillet. I'm gonna make me a ham sandwich. So get me some mayonnaise here. Ooh, I like that mayonnaise. Mayonnaise kind of like butter. The more of it, the better it is. Okay. Grab me a couple slices of ham here and put on my sandwich. Man, I wish I had some garden fresh tomatoes to put on here. That would be delicious. So, all right. Let me get my tater here done. Get that brown sugar mixed in there and that butter mixed all up in there. All right. Whew, that's sort of hot. It just came out of the oven. I'm gonna give it a try here. I know it's going to be delicious. I've already had a few of them, and they're always really, really good. And Beth and her husband grew some awesome sweet potatoes. Man, cannot beat that. That's so good. Let me try out my ham sandwich here. Oh yeah. Not like a ham sandwich and a sweet potato for dinner. So, hey, just whatever you got laying around, throw it up in the skillet, fry it, see what you can come up with. Even if it's just a basic fried ham sandwich. Maybe you throw some cheese on there. Have you ham and cheese sandwich then, right? But I don't have any cheese, so y'all quit spending all your money by going out to eat. Make your home cooked meals. Bye, y'all. That is so good. Yummy.